Welcome back, boys. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to install an engine in an old 911. This should be pretty much the same for all air-cooled models. I'm just showing you the basics, all right? Let's do it. So this is what you have to be careful for under here. The shifter linkage that comes out the front of the transmission there, you don't want to bend that. And it's kind of a precise fit into the chassis here. So I don't know if you can see, but I'm really taking my time with this part. The rest of this should be just 4 bolts. And then the freaking motor's in, boys. Stuff's happening, finally, can't wait. So now that the shift pin is in, I'm going to go ahead and raise the back of the engine here and start leveling it. Look at that, boys. Here, let's make it more impressive looking. Oh man, I'm so excited. I pulled this engine out of here over a year ago, probably. Actually, you know what? No, I pulled this motor out of here in March of 2020. So I guess it's officially been 2 years. Man, it doesn't seem like it. Time's been flying. So life is short. Build cool things and do things outside of your comfort zone, I guess, because I've never done this before, and this is pretty satisfying seeing this back in here. Pretty freaking sweet. Yesterday, finished these wheels that I've had for 4 years. These are super crazy, rare Tom's racing wheels. And today, I put in a motor I've been working in for 2 years. So, I mean, life is just a series of small steps, and you gotta set your goals far out, and you can do crazy stuff.
Yeah.